Hi, I'm filming myself today with the FeiyyuTech G Plus gimbal, and today we're going to go through all the functions that we can. If you have not seen part 1, then click top right. I'm in need of a lot of practice, but this gimbal has helped a lot. The little time I've had with it, my skill level has definitely improved. We're out today filming on the Sony, and we're in the woods, and I'm going to press the gimbal 3 times. So we've got the Sony on the FeiyyuTech G6 Plus gimbal, and so we're on HF, which means we can pan round, so I can move round with that. So now if I press the back button twice, it will go back to as we was. If I press once, it takes us on to LK, which is lock, which means that whatever way you turn, the gimbal will still point forward. So if I give it 2 clicks, it moves it to AF mode, which means it will pan and it will also tilt. You've got this small control here which allows you to tilt up, tilt down, tilt left and tilt right. So that's quite useful. There's an app, there's always an app. This connects up to your gimbal, gives you this screen where you can operate the gimbal from. It takes you into HF mode and you can operate the joystick to move the gimbal. The next symbol is AF mode and the padlock is LK mode. The symbol top right resets the gimbal, and the slider will affect the yaw or tilt. You can connect to these cameras. If you go into Sony, you can see all the listed cameras. It allows you to control from the gimbal. You can go into the gimbal operation by clicking the gear. This will allow you to alter any function of the gimbal. By clicking the cloud top right, gives you certain functions such as updating the firmware. So this is really quite a basic overview of the app. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you've got any tips on using a gimbal, let us know. I will see you again next time.